Assalamu alaikum and a lovely, lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. Another beautiful day. We are meeting after long weekend and like the whole week. We had a wonderful time spending Eid, enjoying and meeting family members a little, not much, not very big gatherings, but that was really fun. We enjoyed, we relaxed. It was a little hot, but it was nice. And now we are back again with a lot of energy because I hope you all have enjoyed the meat, you all have enjoyed the barbecue parties and all that, and now you're full of energy and you haven't eaten that much that you had to go to the hospital. I hope so. So we are back again with all the energy, with all the enthusiasm, and we are going to start our week now. Another beautiful day. It's cloudy, but very, very, very humid. It is going to rain today, and that will be so beautiful. So we should enjoy all kind of weathers and all kind of seasons, I think. And I hope that you have followed the SOPs even during the Eid holiday and going out, meeting with people, because it is still very, very important to follow all the SOPs, whether you're going out for shopping, whether you're going out for meeting, and whether you're going out for any kind of activity. So that is still, we need to follow the SOPs, and we have to keep ourselves safe and we have to keep others safe. So enjoy. We are going to start the lectures today. Yeah. So what are we going to start with today? We're going to start with the numeracy, right? Yeah. So I know you love numbers. I know you like to play with numbers, and you have learned. I hope you have learned the spellings of numbers as well. Yes, did you? Okay, that's great. So today we are going to do another lesson for number line, right? Yeah, we did before. We did number line before as well, but yes, as I told you, that we need to practice. The more we are going to practice, the more we're going to remember that. So, and I hope that you remember our little friend which helped us in the number line. Which one? Oops. Oh, he jumped down. He is very, very active. He had a wonderful, wonderful vacation time. So he is very energetic, and that's why he jumped up. So, Mr. Monkey, you don't need to jump up very high. You have to stay with us, right? So, remember our friend, Mr. Monkey, he helped us in learning the number lines, the concept of number lines. So, he is with us today as well, and we are going to revise, and we're going to do one activity today with that is related to the number line. So I'm going to adjust a little the camera so you can see the, hold on. Okay, so I hope now you can see the board clearly. You can see all the numbers on the board, right? So I just need to fix my, okay, so we're ready. So you can see there are numbers on the board in a line, right? And this is called number line. And we did before that. I hope you remember that. So we are going to revise it a little. First of all, we are going to do number line up till 10, right? So the numbers grow, 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 and they become bigger and bigger and bigger when they're going to the right side, right? And then we are going to the left side, they are descending, right? Yeah. So they are growing over there, ascending, they are increasing in numbers, and here they are decreasing, they're descending, right? So we can do a lot with the number lines. which we are going to do later on, but today we are just going to have the concept again of number line, right? Okay, so this starts with 0 as we did before, right? So I just want you to have a look at the board. um, so this is like, it starts with 0, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? So there are 10 places here, a number line, and they're all equally divided, right? So that starts with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This even tells us which number is bigger and which number is smaller, right? Now, what about this? Look at this number. Which number is this? 6. Now, which number is bigger than 6? 5 or 7? Which number is bigger than 6? Yes, that's 7. That is nice. Because 7 is the bigger number. It's growing. That is on your right hand. So it's growing, right? Okay. Now, which number is less than 4? Yes, that is 3, right? So this is very easy for you to learn the concept of bigger and smaller from the number line, and even addition and subtraction, which we are going to do later on, right? Yeah, okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to open up our book, and with the help of the number line on the board and the number line in the book, we are going to do the activity. Okay, so for that you need to take out your maths, introductory maths, wise book 3. Yes, wise book 3, and take out page number 45. Yes, all of you, please take out page number 45. Yes, everybody, page number 45 here. This is page number 45, right? Page number 45. Okay. Here you can see the number line, same as it is on the board. So this is the bigger one. So I'm going to show you the activity over here, right? Now this says that look at the numbers in the boxes here, right? Look at the numbers in the boxes here, in the boxes below, yeah, and circle them on the number line. Okay, so we're going to circle them over here. I'm going to ask you and you're going to tell me, and I'm going to circle the pictures over here. Okay, now there are numbers in the boxes, so we have to look at the numbers in the boxes, right, and circle them on the number line. Now this is number 1, right? So you will look at the number line, sorry, here the numbers are up on the number line, and in your book they are written under the line, but that's okay. The both of the ways are the same. There's no difference. Okay, so you can write it like this and you can write it like this as well, right? Okay, now you are going to circle the numbers in your book, right? Now which are these numbers? Number 1, then yes, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9. Yes. Now in your book, you are going to circle them by holding your pencil. I'm holding my marker because I'll be doing it on the board, right? So first of all, you're going to circle number 1. So all of you circle number 1 like this, as you can see on the board. Yes. Circle number 1, then 3. Yes, circle number 3. Then circle number 5, then 7, and then 9. Done? Okay, that's great. That's great. Now you are going to tell me that where will this flower come on the number line? Which is the number of this flower on the number line? Now look at it carefully. You have circled all the numbers, right? Now, which is the number for the flower on the number line? Now you have circled 7 and you have circled 9, right? You have circled 7 and you have circled 9. Which is the place for the flower? Which number? Yes, number 8. Flower comes here on number 8. That's great. Okay, look at the snail. What do you think the snail comes on which number? Snail, which number are you going to give to snail? Which number is for snail on the number line? That is after number 1 and before number 3. Yes, that is number 2. That is great. Lovely. Okay, now look at the frog. Right? Now there's a frog and the flower, and number 9 is in between. Now what will be the number for frog on the number line? 9. Yes, that will be 10. The frog will come here on number 10. That's great. Okay, now we have a mushroom. Mushroom. Now, which number do you think is for mushroom on the number line? It is after 5 and before 7. Very right. That will be number 6. That is after 7 and before 5. Oh, sorry, after 5 and before 7. And that is number 6. That's great. Okay, now one more is left. There's a bee over here. Can you see the bee? Yes, there's a bee over here. Now, quickly tell me that which number will be for the bee? That is after number 3 and before number 5. Yes, very good. That's number 4. Excellent, excellent. Very, very, very good. That's great. Very good. So you have learned the placement, the placing on number line, that how you're going to see which picture comes where, which is before, which is after. So this is how you're going to learn the placement, and then we can do a lot with number line. Yeah, right? Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we have another exercise just right under that one. This says that the numbers that were hidden above are shown below. Wow, you have already find them, but what you're going to do is that you are going to trace them, and that is a very, very easy activity for you. Yeah, so these were the hidden numbers which we have find out over here with the help of the pictures, and you are going to just trace them. So that is going to just take 2 minutes for you to do that. So all of you take out, no, you have your pencils in your hand, so you are going to just trace them quickly, right? Because you know how to write them. You already have practiced a lot. You already have traced them many a times, and you know how you can do that, right? So that is just going to take 2 minutes, not even more than 2 minutes. So you'll be able to do that. But please be stay online. Don't leave the line. Yes, that's wonderful. Okay, right? You've done that? Show me. That's great. Lovely. Okay. That's fantastic. So we have done this activity for Numberline today. We are going to continue that. So because we can do a lot with the number lines. So this was the numeracy class today, and in which we have done the number lines. Another reminder for you is to please, now it's been a long time, we're asking you to subscribe the channel. So please subscribe the channel and give the videos thumbs up, so we can just we can ask you you a little favor and do share it with your friends so they can also enjoy, and you can discuss the same things about the concepts, about the things, about whatever you are learning new. So you can share it with your friends and you can discuss that. Okay. So this was it for today's class, and we're going to see each other in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, be safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay. So till we see each other, I'm going to say you Allah Hafiz and goodbye.